Saving 5 watts with a fully integrated cockpit often adds $400 to your yearly maintenance bill. Here is the engineering trade-off for 2026. Wind tunnel data confirms that fully hiding cables reduces turbulent boundary layer separation, saving 3 to 8 watts at 40 kph. While this sounds marginal, over a 5-hour Century ride at steady state, that accumulates to roughly 90 seconds saved. However, the mechanics tax is exponential. A simple headset bearing replacement, previously a 20-minute job, now requires disconnecting hydraulic lines, rebleeding brakes, and retaping bars, turning a $40 service into a $200 ordeal. Beyond maintenance, fit flexibility is the critical failure point. If your flexibility changes or the stock reach is wrong, you cannot simply swap a stem. You are forced to purchase an entirely new cockpit unit, often costing $500 or more. This is why the 2026 industry trend is shifting back towards semi-integration. Semi-integrated systems offer about 70% of the Aero benefit by hiding cables under the stem, but retain full adjustability. Compare the trade-offs before committing your cash. Follow this decision logic for your next purchase, unless you are a podium-contending racer with a finalized fit. Full integration is an engineering liability. Prioritize fit over aesthetics. Semi-integration is the future.